around. But now, I had a secret weapon under my arm. The power of a plan of small steps. I had been taught how to achieve things because the rehab had exposed me to, for the first time in my life, visualization. Early on, they said to me, "Do you see yourself walking again?" I said, "Yes." They said, "Close your eyes and picture it. Dream about it, if you like." They said, "Do you see yourself dancing?" I said, "That's hard to see." They said, "Close your eyes and see yourself dancing, because we see you dancing." So I did that. And they said, what color shirt are you wearing?" "Blue." So they forced me into a detailed visualization of what was going to happen. I had never had any exposure to any of this. Positivity, visualization, goal setting, and a plan of small steps. But I came back to work with all this new knowledge. If there's one thing came out of my disaster, and it's a good thing, it was a whole new awareness of all this stuff. So I started. Everyone around me was busy. Everyone was very, very busy, but they're kind of busy at lots of the wrong things, and they don't have a plan. So I found I was able to make very quick progress and shot up through the ranks. And I was made a director of the firm, and that was a surprise. And then I was asked to be the managing director of the firm, which was a great honor. So the kid from the basement, the delivery boy, who lost his legs along the way, became the boss. And then we sold the company for 50 million euro. And that is all down to my new exposure to a bit of focus and planning.